Ever wonder what your cat's nose looks like up close? Or if that coin is actually rare? Get ready to zoom in. This little gadget is about to change how you see the world, one tiny detail at a time. This is the TOMLOV P10 Evo, a handheld digital microscope that's about to blow your mind, not your budget. It's compact, lightweight, and ready for adventure. Forget those 100x microscopes that show you blurry pixels. This little marvel gives you a genuine 20x magnification with crystal clear detail on its 2-inch IPS screen. It's like having superhero vision but without the spandex. See mint marks on coins, inspect jewelry, or even check out your plant's trichomes. The adjustable LED light ensures everything is perfectly illuminated. It's got a fixed focus, so no fiddling around. Just place it about 1 centimeter from your object and prepare to be amazed. You can even snap photos and record videos of your discoveries. Connect it to your Windows or macOS device to share your microscopic masterpieces. It's perfect for curious kids and adults alike. Coin collectors, jewelers, nature enthusiasts, or anyone who just wants to know what's really living on their kitchen counter. This microscope is your new best friend for exploring the unseen. It's so easy to use, even your grandma could become a forensic scientist. The TOMLOV P10 Evo is an absolute steal. It's portable, powerful, and genuinely fun. Ready to dive into the microverse? Grab your own TOMLOV P10 Evo handheld microscope today. Find it on Amazon through the link in the description. Don't miss out on the tiny wonders.